Hi all, in today's tutorial I am going to show how to upload initial stock through LSMW direct input method. First run the T code LSMW, enter your project, subproject and object, click on create entry button, give the description initial stock upload. Yeah. Now click on the continue button, enter the subproject description, click on the continue button, enter object description, click on continue button. Okay, now execute it. So now we are entering the maintain object attributes. Just click on the execute, go to change mode, enter the object for goods movement. Just scroll down. Yes, this is the object for goods movement. Now click on the continue button. Now enter the method. Just click here, system automatically selects. Now save this. So after saving this, come back. Now we are in second step, maintain source structures. Just execute it, go to change mode. Now click on the create a structure. Now give a structure. I am giving ZZ561. Enter the description. Now click on continue button. Save it. Once you save, just come back. Now maintain source fields. Just execute. Keep cursor on. First go to change mode. Keep cursor on source structure. Now click on the table maintenance. Yeah. Just copy this from Excel. I am copying the data. I am pasting the data here. Yes. Now save the data. Just come back. Just save it. Come back. Now we are in maintain structure relations. Actually system automatically maintains the structure relation. Just go to change mode, just save it, come back. Now we are in maintaining the field mapping and conversion rules. Just execute, go to change mode, click on the extra, click on auto field mapping, click on continue button. Now click on accept proposal. So it's matching, 100% matching. Yes, it's also 100% matching. Story location also matching, quantity also matching. Okay, now click on this continue button. Yeah, here this is very important. We must and should maintain the movement type. Just keep cursor on this field, go to rule, select constant, click on continue button, enter movement type 561, click on continue button. Yes, we maintain the movement type. So just click here, layout option, just select technical fields, click on continue button. See, just observe, these are all the data system takes automatically. For example, this transaction code MB11, document date and posting date, system takes today date. So just hide it, technical fields, continue. Now save the field mapping, come back. Now we are in 7th step. Just keep cursor on the specify files, click on execute, go to change mode, keep cursor on legacy data, just click on the add entry, click here, select the file, select upload file. It should be in text format, click on open, enter the description, select tabulator. Our uploading file have the header So that is the reason I'm selecting this checkbox. Click on continue. Yes, now this is very important. We should maintain the logical path and logical file. Just double click on this, enter the logical path and logical file. Here I am entering y561 y561. Yeah, now for this we should have user should have FILE code authorization. Okay, now click on the continue. It is asking create. Yes, click on yes. Okay, now save this, come back. Now we are in assign files. Click on execute, go to change mode, just save it. It's automatically taken. Read data, execute, just execute. Click on hello, come back. We are in display read data. Continue, just double click, just cross check. Yes, it's correct. Come back. Now convert data, execute. Yes, data is converted. Now display converted data. Continue. Yes. Now we are in last step, create batch input session. Just execute it. So it is logical files system automatically taken a number of items. So it is system automatically taken 20 items. That means for 20 line items, system generates only one material document. For example, if we have the 100 line items, for each 20 line items, system generates separate material document. Okay. Now execute. So keep cursor on the stack. Now click on the process session. Select the file. Now click on the process. I am running process in foreground. Just click on the process. Yes, see system this document date and posting date system automatically taken. If required, we can change. And note here, we can change the posting date and the document date only in if we run the process in foreground mode. If we run the process in background and display only errors, it is not possible to change the document date and posting date. Just click on the continue button. Yes, continue. Yes, our LSMW is successful. Now click on the session overview. Yes, it's 100% successful. That's it today tutorial. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.